Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and preserving data. Check the CPU supports X64 if you plan to switch. Use System About or a CPU tool. Next, make a full image backup to an external drive so you can revert if needed. Then create a bootable USB with the matching Windows 10 ISO using Rufus. Choose UEFI or Legacy to match your firmware. Once done, set firmware to boot USB and keep product keys handy. You now perform the installation. Boot the USB and select Custom Install to control partitions. Delete the previous Windows partition if you're switching architecture, and then create a new primary partition for the OS. Leave a small system reserved area if needed. Format the partition to NTFS and start setup. Make sure to skip driver installation until base Windows is running so you avoid conflicts. If prompted, opt to do activation after setup. This reduces interruption during mass changes. You finish by installing core drivers, chipset, storage controller, and network first, then run Windows Update to pull others. Restore your files from the image and verify Device Manager for any remaining driver issues. Make sure your activation and product key match the installed architecture. If not, resolve licensing with your key. If the system won't boot, check that BIOS is set to the same mode used for installation, and recreate the bootable USB with the correct ISO and partition scheme. This fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.